Transactions on the blockchain. Introduction. Imagine a group of strangers. They don't know anything about each other. And the only thing that they have all in common is that they have realized that keeping their money in one centralized place, like a bank, is perhaps not the smartest idea. After all, banks can get hacked, as they have been many times before. In addition, this group of strangers are tired of the high banking fees added to their transactions, and they want a new, improved system. So, they decide to create it on their own. This is the birth of the blockchain. They don't want to share their personal information with others, so they use secret identities. For example, let's keep things simple and use a group of 14 people, all who use numbers from 1 to 14 as their secret identities. The individuals in this group each own a computer, and this network of computers, which are also referred to as nodes, and the system as a whole is the blockchain. Their secret identities are their usernames or user IDs, and the money on their balances is in cryptocurrencies. In order to create their own system, the one thing they will share is their account balance. Every participant types in a spreadsheet how much money each person has. Now we have a group that not only knows two things about the other people, how much money they have, and a list of secret identities. This is when the action begins and transactions start happening. It all starts with person 14 wanting to buy a product from person 6 for 25 euros. Person 14 lets the network know, I'm sending 25 euros to person number 6. Then all of the computers check whether person 14 has enough money to make this transaction. Person 14 is on the right financial track and does have enough money. All of the computers in the group now confirm that person 14 sent 25 euros to person 6 in this transaction. This also means that they must update the account balances. Person 14 now has 25 euros less, and person 6 has 25 euros more. Now that the transaction is settled, person 6 gives person 14 the product. But what would have happened if person 14 wasn't as wealthy and didn't have enough funds to send 25 euros? Then once she attempted the transaction, all of the computers would see that person 14 did not have enough money, and they would not allow this transaction to take place. The process continues for some time, where transactions are recorded within the blocks and are broadcast to the network, where they will get validated by the nodes. The filling up of the block with transactions illustrates the building of a blockchain, one block at a time.